Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Farhan Aslam, and here at the start I'm going to run a few commands to show that the Docker has successfully been installed on my system. And here I am going running a hello world command, which basically gives us a welcome message by the Docker software, and it shows us that the Docker has been installed successfully. And to get to other images we have to pull from the registry, but first let me show you the images from this current repository. So this shows us that we have two repositories right now, hello world, which is the default repository, and the other is ubuntu. Ubuntu is the one that I downloaded after installing the Docker by running the pull command like this. So this shows us that ubuntu repository has been downloaded already. So basically the Docker software works by the principle of emanating different images in the same software, which spares us the hassle of running virtual machines on our system. And all of these images are stored in the configuration registry, and when we give the pull command, it basically downloads that, it basically fetches that images from the registry. So, and here I was misspelling the word sudo, which was giving me the error, which I have corrected now. So to run the ubuntu, I gave the run ubuntu command, but it basically runs the ubuntu at that moment exactly. And to run it for the longer period of time, we will use this command -i. So now we have successfully emulated the ubuntu repository, and we can see if our release is placed or not. And let me check if I have already done it here or not by using the history command. So my system is basically running the ubuntu 20 with the long-term support. Similarly, we can run the nginx command, nginx engine, with this following command. For example, let me show you, but before that let me show you the help command, which basically gives us all commands available in the Docker software, which we can use however we want to. For example, this image command, to get the image we can use this command, image dash help. These are basically all the commands for the images, which we can use as we need. We can also run this help command to get all detailed list of commands available in the software. So this was all about the help registry in the Docker, and all related commands which we can use according to our needs. So now let's please continue with the nginx engine. Let's start the nginx engine by running the pull command, which shows us that nginx is downloaded successfully. And now let's give the run command, which will run the nginx. And here it shows that nginx is running successfully, but right now it is not using any port or anything right now, and we cannot run the data through this because port forwarding has not been done yet. And to forward the port and data, we can use the command -p. And 1234 is our example port, and here 80 is the port of Nginx, because basically the Nginx runs on the port number 80. So let's run it. This basically starts the Nginx on 1234, and then we can use the exit command to run from to exit from the whole system. Assalamu alaikum sir.